There's something about this girl, man. There's something about this girl, man. There's something about this girl, man. From around my way. There's something about this girl, man.
Hey guys, what's poppin'? It's your girl Robin, and we're back at it again with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I bleached, plucked, and installed this unit. So if you guys want to see a start to finish install video on this hair, go ahead and keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into it. All right, you guys, so we're starting off with our wig. This is what it looks like. We're gonna go ahead and bleach the knots. So as you guys can see, we do have some dark knots, even though the hair is highlighted. Our knots are pretty dark. So I'm gonna be using my Salon Care 40 volume developer and my BW2 Clear All bleach.
Listening, seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction now, cause I'm falling.
So I just eyeball it and I try to keep it to like a toothpaste consistency. So I add a little bit of developer, I stir it in and see what it's giving me. And then from there, I'll see if I need to add more. So this is actually perfect. You can see when I grab it on the brush and flip it over, it doesn't move. This consistency is gonna make sure that the bleach doesn't seep into the hair and like bleach the hair. So I'm just gonna place it.
You got issues that I won't mention for now, cause we're falling apart. Passionate from miles away.
So we're gonna leave this on for about 15 to 20 minutes and then I'm gonna rinse it out and wash the hair, and then we're gonna get on to the plucking portion. All right, you guys, so I have my wig here. I'm gonna go ahead and spray it with some water. And comb it back. So now that we have everything pushed back, I'm gonna go ahead and take out this first layer of hair. We're just going to kind of like grip the hair backwards. And this plucking method is literally so easy. If you guys have seen Arrogant Tay's masterclass, this is kind of like the method that he uses. So you're gonna take your tweezers and just tweeze back. You're not going to place your tweezers directly in front of the hairline and tweeze there, because then that's how you get balding. And knowing me, I'll probably bald some part of this closure, but I'm gonna try my best to be very careful and just place my tweezers on the inside of the hair. So like right here. And so we're just gripping here and pulling back in this motion. And I keep my tweezers moving as I'm going along, so that I don't create any bald spots. And I stop every so often to collect the hair that I've pulled out and to make sure that I don't over pluck. I do want it to be a little bit wetter than this, so I'm just gonna spray down just a little bit more. And we're gonna continue. So this is what I got done with the plucking. I think it looks pretty good. I don't like to over pluck, so this is like perfect for me. But I really want to show you guys how I prep my wigs with, especially with closure wigs. I like to do this because there's not a lot of parting space, so it just makes it easier to just do it once it's off your head. So I'm gonna set the middle part. We're gonna be using my Shea's Bomb wax stick to set the part into place, and then I'm gonna be hot combing it. I'm also probably gonna be using my Sebastian Shaper spray as well. So I'm just gonna play some music and let you guys see what I'm doing.
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm dirty. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you're famous. guess I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make it. You try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Those on this side, those over on this side. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what?
Alright you guys, so we're gonna start on the install now. I put on a bald cap that came with the wig. I didn't do the bald cap method or anything. I just put it on top of my head because with closures it really doesn't make sense for me to do a bald cap because you don't really need it. I just went ahead and blow dried and lightly straightened the hair. I was going to do some body curls, like some body wave kind of curls, but I think I'm just gonna wear it straight because I was putting the wig on my head and it looked mad cute straight. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some makeup on the inside of the lace, and then we're just going to plop it on our head and start going.
Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the aching, yeah, getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah, you play me, you play me. You wanna get with me, stop it.
First time in a long time, hurting, deep inside. First time in a long time, hurting, deep. Trust who? Watching my back even when I'm in the pool. Oh, trust who? Doing my thing when I'm down to come clean. I like you. I wanna make you feel the weight off your shoulders too. I take it. Just tell me you can't be that crazy. Even if it isn't crazy, baby, I'll take it. I'll hold you. I know you're not an angel, not you. Oh, save it. Don't waste your time. 'Cause I'm wavy and I'm saying things that I don't mean, that I don't mean, that I don't want to miss me. 'Cause there's no way you're sorry and you're crying and you're saying things that I do believe, that I don't believe.
completed look. Y'all, this hair is so pretty. The color is giving, I don't know, it's giving me Reese's Puffs. That's what it's giving, so I'm really liking it. The hair is super long. I'm about to show y'all. It comes down to my waist, well, past my waist. On the pack it said 24 inches, but it's giving me 30. I've never had no 24-inch hair this long, so that's actually a really good plus. They did give me a couple extra inches, so I'm grateful for that. But all in all, I love the color. Color is absolutely beautiful. The hair quality itself is really good. The hair is full, the hair is thick, the hair is healthy. From root to tip, the ends are really healthy. So the hair quality itself is amazing. The only thing that I didn't really like is the lace. It is kind of like, the lace is really light, and sometimes with lace that's like this white, it's kind of hard to get your color. And so I don't know if you guys can tell, but the coloring is kind of off to me, and I did my normal Juvia's Place foundation inside of the lace. So I don't know, I'm scared to add too much, but I might go in and add some because I do feel like my lace is looking a little bit light. But aside from that, I think this wig is absolutely beautiful. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this wig, I will have my coupon code up on the screen so that you guys can shop with Wiggins Hair. All in all, I feel like Wiggins is a quality brand. Like, you're going to get quality hair ordering from them. So I definitely recommend them. If you guys want to save some money shopping with them, go ahead and use my code up on the screen and in the description box. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.